Hi guys, how are you doing? In this video tutorial, we will look at how to use a scaffold widget with material app widget. So let's start. Now let's first create our my app class. I am using Flutter awesome snippets. Now let's replace it with our material app widget, not scaffold but material app widget. Excuse me. Now in home, let's add our scaffold. In the body section, we will add a center widget to display our text in the center of the screen. Let's put some text in text widget. Hello Flutter. Now let's save and also add a title. Also remove the debug check banner. Let's save and run it. Let's change the text and see. Let's save and see how it looks now. That's it for this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.